Looking to upgrade your headlights? Say hello to SEALIGHT H11, H8, H9 LED headlight bulbs, designed to revolutionize your night drives with 600% brighter illumination and a hassle-free installation process. SEALIGHT H11. LED headlight bulbs outperform traditional halogen lights by delivering a 600% brighter output. With a crisp 6,000 Kelvin cool white color, these bulbs help you spot hazards earlier and drive more confidently, whether it's a dark highway or a rainy evening. Got 5 minutes? That's all it takes to install the SEALIGHT H11, H8 or H9 LED bulbs. With a one-to-one mini design that mirrors traditional halogen bulbs, these LED headlights fit into 99% of vehicle housings and factory sockets. No modifications required. Tired of noisy headlights? SEALIGHT LED bulbs come with a fanless design that uses a high-performance chipset and heatsink for optimal performance. Enjoy up to 50,000 hours of quiet, reliable illumination. SEALIGHT LED headlights are CAN-bus ready for 99% of vehicles, seamlessly integrating with your car's computer system without flicker or error messages. For those rare sensitive models, our support team is here to assist with additional CAN-bus decoders if needed. Before purchasing, double-check your owner's manual or the part number on your original bulbs to confirm the size. Still unsure? Our dedicated customer support team is ready to help with any fitment or installation concerns. Upgrade your driving experience today with Amazon SEALIGHT H11, H8, H9 LED headlight bulbs. Powerful, quiet and easy to install. Drive brighter, drive safer.